Hello everyone, today with MarketXLS we're going to talk about a popular guru screen known as the Zweig Screen. MarketXLS is one of the top Excel-based investment research solutions for investors. In this video we'll be learning about what a Zweig Screen is, how it works, when to use this screen, and how to screen stocks using MarketXLS. So without any further ado, let's start with the topic. This screen was first developed by Martin Zweig. This screen uses various earnings-related criteria as the valuation metric for stocks. According to this screen, a potential earnings growth of a company is an accurate recognition of the company's value. Majority of the criteria of this screen are related to EPS, so the earnings per share of a company. It is an investing strategy that uses both fundamental analysis and market timing. There are specific parameters that a stock has to meet, and we will now look at these parameters. MarketXLS offers a template for this strategy, so here's the introduction page and here's an active template. There are 8 parameters provided by the screen. The PE ratio should be greater than 5 but less than 1.5 times the market median PE. The 3-year compound annual growth rate of sales and EPS should be greater than 15. EPS of the past 3 years should be consecutively above 0. The relative strength price should be greater than 0 and the debt to asset ratio should be greater than the market median. The screen will not accept the stock even if one criteria is not fulfilled. For the purpose of this video, we'll be using Google as the stock, and we can see that Google fulfills all the parameters laid down by the screen. So as a result, the screen accepts the stock. MarketXLS has many templates just like the Zweig Screen one you see here, and it refreshes all the data when you change the stock ticker. That is all for today. MarketXLS also has guru screen functions that filters through all stocks to get you the ones that fit in the criteria. If you want to read more about this topic, please visit the MarketXLS website, which has hundreds of blogs and templates. If you want to get in contact with us, please book a demo and we'll be happy to help.